Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Sasha with you again. Welcome on board. We have recently started a new series about 50 successful traders' habits. I have done the episode number 1. The link is in the description. If you have missed it, please go ahead and watch it. I'm trying to keep these videos short and to the point, in which I'm going to be just focusing on one habit or two habits in each video, so that you can just watch them time to time, and it will be easier for me to just post them and won't take much of your time. But I really think that these are very important for a successful trader. Either you are a new trader or you are a trader who've been trading for some time, you really need to refresh on these and make a check on these, right? So that you understand, are you actually following these habits or not, right? So we got to basically unlearn and relearn the right habits to be a successful trader, right? Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you want to be notified, please hit the bell icon so that whenever the new video is posted, you'll be notified immediately. My media links are also in the bio, such as Telegram, Instagram, Discord, etc. Feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to get back to you. Just a little bit busy around. If I do not reply in a day or two, don't mind. I will definitely get back to each and every message and answer all the questions, right? I usually post the gold analysis on Telegram channel, and you can some time to time refer to that and see if that's helpful to you, anybody who's interested in trading gold, right? So this was the number 1 episode. That was invest in yourself before you invest in the market. All right, guys. So now let's move on to our second habit, that is learn the rules of the game. Knowing the rules of the game before you play, it is essential. Would you get behind the wheels of a car and start to drive before you know the rules? Hell, you won't do that, right? So, and nobody will allow you to do that in the right sense of their mind. So, you need to learn how to turn, how to stop, where to safely accelerate before you put yourself and others at risk on the road. Similarly, Forex trading is a little more complex than driving a car, but the basic principles remain the same. You need to learn and understand the rules before you start to trade. Understanding the details of your trading account is absolutely very important, right? So the basic, and just elaborating a few examples here with you all. What broker you should be using, right? Which one suits you the best? And then what are spreads offered by those brokers? What are the leverages allowed in your country? What are margin requirements? Do you know what are the margin requirements for specific pairs and instrument that you're going to trade? What are the margin calls? Or you can say, how do we execute the trades, right? Some trades are executed in dynamic or static risks. And what is even risk management? Do you know that? And then you can say what is trade management, or you can say what is all the way trading plan that you should be having, what tools you should be using. And so you have to equip yourself properly, and you should understand the market where you're going to be able to perform in a better way, right? Other than all of this, I must say, very important part is which pair you should be selecting, right? Can you just open any chart and start trading? No, you can't do that, right? There should be your favorites. And I do not believe in having 10, 14 favorites, right? You should be sticking to 2 or 3 pairs, and then you should understand the way they move, the time they move, right? That is why when the trading session comes handy, you should have your favorite trading session. That also depends on the type of lifestyle you're having. Are you working full time? Is trading your part-time job? Are you a full-time trader? Is it all about your bread and butter? And then what type of profession do you have? What are your family lifestyle like? And other than that, are you stressed? Are you not stressed? All of that is implicable. Okay. And then determine what type of trader you are, right? Are you a swing trader? That also depends on your lifestyle, and also the persona you have, the personality you have. Are you patient enough to hold the trade for long? Are you very anxious trader that you just a scalper? You just are not impatient at all? Are you an intraday trader? So you have to understand all of these different aspects and you have to learn them individually. And if you stick with me and my channel, I'm going to elaborate time to time all this basic information and all the advanced information that you need to become a perfect trader. Trust me, to talk about the trades, I can just move on and just fill you all up with the information that you need. But let's take it one by one, step by step, right? So I've just named a few of them here, right? So you have to have the right tools, the safety measures, and professional support. Support like with the right analyst that you need to be. As I said, education is extremely important when you're trading. You have to educate yourself about the fundamentals, about the technicals, about the market, what is happening in the market these days, right? What factors affect the market? What is going to happen in the market in future, right? That all matters a lot. For example, COVID, for example, your better economy of a country, and different news factors that affect the market. So you have to stay updated all the time to make sure that you learn the market before you enter any sort of trade. You should be fully equipped before you get onto the road and start driving. Your decision making skills should be very important. All right, guys. So this was a little bit of talk that we should be overall having a glimpse about the rules that we should be knowing. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening, and then we'll carry on.